Man, skip the introduction. This story got me so heated, I just couldn't wait to do it. So here it goes. New York City cancer doctor kills herself and her baby, police says. You know, Dr. Crystal Cancetta, an oncologist at Mount Sinai Hospital. Yeah, she did her baby and then herself in the family's home Saturday morning, police said. It said New York City doctor killed herself and her baby in her home Saturday, police said. Dr. Crystal, you know, the woman you see here, an oncologist at Mount Sinai Hospital, shot her baby and then herself at her home in Somers, a town about 50 miles northeast of New York City, around 7 in the morning, 7 a.m. State police said that the scene is consistent with murder/suicide. It's unclear how old the baby is. Well, it doesn't matter. Troop Stephen Neville said he was not permitted to release more details, but said, "We know 100% without a doubt that it is murder-suicide." Anybody knows that. Neville said the 911 call came from someone inside the residence who, upon hearing the first gunshot, rushed to the baby's room thinking something had fallen. The unidentified caller heard a second gunshot before arriving at the room, broke down the locked door, and found the dead mother and baby inside. According to Mount Sinai's website, Cancetta treated breast, bone, gynecological, and gastrointestinal cancer. She worked as a site chief of the Mount Sinai's Queens Infusion Center, a treatment center for cancer and blood disorder, as an assistant professor of medicine in the hematology and medical oncology division at Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai. It says she graduated from Albany Medical College, where she was inducted into a National Honor Society for demonstrating excellence in humanistic clinical care, leadership, compassion, and dedication to service, according to her Mount's website. She had also been studying for a Master of Health Administration degree at Cornell University as of last year. Well, too bad she showed less compassion when she went to the baby's room and did it then herself. Spokesperson for Mount Sinai Health System said in a statement, the Mount Sinai community is greatly saddened by the tragic loss of a Mount Sinai Health System doctor and her child. We extend our deepest sympathies to Dr. Cancetta's family, friends, and colleagues and patients. And then this message says, if you're pregnant and a new mother, you call this hotline right here. Well, by the way, since the baby was just born, that's called geriatric pregnancy, by the way. And they did all this while the husband was away, while the husband's not there. There seems a lot of stories like this where the husband's not there and the wife all of a sudden either killed the children herself or just deleted the children. Anyway, her accomplishments doesn't mean anything to me, especially after what she did. My biggest takeaway is the baby. It's the baby, and why she took the baby's life. I mean, what did the baby do to her? Absolutely nothing. Man, I'm so heated with this story. I'm out of here.